Yes. You just like it up and share. Don't forget, this is the way Aunty Clair do her oxtail. Oxtail. You can see a big bowl of oxtail. That's the order I get to do it. Okay? So just like up the channel. Maggie. Jerk sauce. What I put on already. You can see my jerk sauce. Right? That I make from scratch. And the pepper, garlic, bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, pimento, right? Browning, yes, soya sauce too. And ginger powder, and our Maggi, and our jerk sauce from yard, right? To the bone, seasoned to the bone. So just like it up, share, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Don't forget, right? Comment down below. Okay? Love you guys. Peace out.